Alongside police station. Don't know if you can see all them bikes over there. See if it'll focus. Used to have motorbikes and all sorts. I don't know if it's like a place where they go in the local community if they're stolen or whatever. But there's a lot of bikes.
This is a textbook public photography audit, a simple test of whether officers understand basic civil rights. The rule is straightforward. Anything visible from a public place can be lawfully filmed. The area outside the station is open to the public, and the bicycles stored in the yard are clearly visible from public view. There's nothing unlawful happening here. The only question is how officers will respond once they notice the camera. Will it remain professional, or will it escalate unnecessarily?
Again, there's motorbikes down there. An electric scooter with his little tag on. McDonald's, they're on. Bacon double cheeseburger, I bet. Pardon? Police station, why?
Why are you filming the police station?
Because I can.
Why are you doing it though?
For my own personal thing and for other people's interest.
And what's the interest in filming the police station?
Public interest.
What's the public interest?
Right, I'm not going to talk to you now, so...
Alright, fuck on mate.
Yeah?
Camera's up there though.
Yeah,
so.
that's fine. Just like they're recording me, I'm recording you.
Fantastic.
Okay, take care.
Have a lovely day.
Yeah, are you?
Okay.
Yeah, not too bad, thank you. Yourself?
Too bad? Is there any reason why you're walking around the building recording?
Sorry, just keep your distance from me, mate.
The first interaction is calm and professional, exactly how these encounters should go. However, the second approach feels noticeably more assertive. It's important to remember that most police interactions are consensual. A person is generally not required to answer questions or explain lawful activity. The auditor's polite refusal to provide details is a textbook example of exercising that right. The key moment now is whether the officers respect this boundary and disengage.
You walk around the building recording?
Just public photography, that's all.
Okay, just making sure.
Yeah, it's just the way you walk towards me, that was all. You.
Just walking, mate.
No worries.
Who are you?
Will you not walk behind me, please?
Who
Just
are
because
you
I don't like it. Pardon?
Who are you exactly? What's your name?
I'm not going to give me details, mate. I'm not committing a crime, so unless you suspect I'm going to commit a crime, mate, then I'm not going to give you my details now.
I'll need you to leave the area. because where you were recording around the side, you're recording into a private area, into a police station.
I can film anything that what the public can see from a public area.
Here, the situation escalates, and the officer's justification appears legally flawed. Claiming that filming a so-called private area from a public path is unlawful is incorrect. The guiding principle is simple. There is no reasonable expectation of privacy for anything visible from a public place. Adding to the problem, the officer incorrectly references the national threat level, a factual error that undermines the credibility of the justification being used to escalate the encounter.
You're recording me?
But look, there's even more coming out. Yeah, I'm just going to keep my distance from you all. I don't want to be surrounded by you all, that's all. I've already explained it to the chap there, so I don't need to explain myself again. So I've told you I'm just doing a little documentary, that's all. So
have you had permission to film the police station?
I don't need permission to film a police station, I'm afraid.
Everyone's on high alert at the moment. The threat level's severe, so we've been told to
I think you need to double check that. Everybody keeps saying that's not severe, it's substantial. So before you give me evidence...
I'm just telling you the way it is.
You're not telling me the way it is, you're telling me wrong information.
We're telling you.
That's just the way I talk, I'm afraid. You're telling me it's severe, it's not severe, it's substantial. It's been the lowest since 2012.
Challenge anybody that's acting suspiciously around the police station,
right,
and you're acting suspicious.
Acting suspicious, is that a crime?
The interaction now shifts toward allegations of suspicious activity, a phrase often used to justify police intervention. However, the legal standard for suspicion is higher. It must be based on specific, objective facts. Simply filming a police station, an entirely lawful act, does not typically meet that threshold. The officer's position here appears inconsistent with established guidance on public photography and police engagement.
Well, right, if we have to challenge your behaviour, so we're asking you, and that's why there's three of us out
and
here.
I'm planning refusing to give you any information. I'm not doing anything wrong, I'm doing photography. And that's all you need to know.
Videoing.
Yeah? It's still the same thing. So what's it called then? Videoing.
That's what it said.
Right, okay. Does it not fall under the same bracket? I am, yeah.
What's that on, like, YouTube or something?
Yeah.
You'd be happy to provide your details then, and we can just check everything.
No. No.
You don't want to provide your details?
I'm not going to give my details, no. Because I've not committed a crime.
Have you got anything to hide?
No. Can you identify yourselves, please?
So your phone number there?
What's that? 17740. And yours, please? It's what? Sorry, can't see it. 15493.
Sorry, too small.
And next time you approach a member of a public, I'd appreciate it if you didn't come with all your hostility and your attitude. I'm afraid.
What hostility?
You haven't come, to be honest with you. She came out all guns blazing. So the way you was approaching me, the way you're speaking to me.
That's your opinion.
Right, and I'm entitled to my opinion just like you are. So.
That's fine. I wasn't approaching you hostily. Don't believe
My
I was.
colleague said...
You came out very aggressive, so
I didn't come out of anywhere.
I don't want to speak to you anymore, I'm afraid. Sorry, go on,
My
sorry.
colleague said, obviously, because of the terrorist threat, it's quite suspicious.
So do you suspect me of being a terrorist?
Pardon?
Do you suspect me of being a terrorist?
Because of
So
that-
please don't bring that law into it, because I'm not a terrorist.
We have to challenge this all day. You don't...
Right, but I can act suspicious, it's not a crime.
If you can see it from our side, you can understand why you've got to challenge that thing.
Right, can you see it from my side?
Oh, you just said you're making a documentary.
Right, and public photography is not a crime.
Right, but you can see why it's suspicious, David, from our point of view.
Suspicious is not a crime.
Yeah, but you can understand that. It's being obstructive now. You can understand.
I'm
why
not being
we're
obstructive, I don't want to talk to you.
Well,
You don't talk to me with respect, I won't talk to
You've
you
got
with
no
respect.
choice.
I don't need to speak to you. Am I obliged to speak to you?
You don't have to.
Am I
You
being
don't-
detained?
You don't have to be speaking to
Am I being
public.
detained?
Well, leave
Am I being detained?
them. Leave them. It's just private property. Leave them.
It's not private property, it's public property.
The officer then claims that the public land in question is actually private property, another significant factual mistake. Police authority is defined by law, not assumption. The order to respond appropriately by asking a crucial question, am I being detained? This forces the officer to clarify the legal basis of the interaction, and is an essential tool for anyone seeking to understand their rights during a police encounter.
I think you need to look it up properly, I'm afraid.
Right.
On the land registry, this is down as public, so...
That's terrible attitude you have, haven't you?
But I treat people the way I'd be treated.
Yeah, you you've
So,
been
you know.
quite aggressive, pointing, and you've been trying.
You came out aggressive towards me. This chap here, to all due respect to him, 17740, has actually treated me with respect, unlike you. So I speak to people the way they speak to me.
You've just been trying to overtalk.
Okay, I just told you I don't want to speak to you, so.
Really, your choice. If I want to speak to you, I'll speak at you.
If you want to, you have to speak to me.
You're talking to me again, just like you can speak to me or speak at me.
I don't need to speak to you. And it's 1799. And you know that little thin blue line you've got on your badge, you find that very disrespectful as well.
Again, that's your opinion.
Have a good day. Get back in your baking machines. Gutted. Bye-bye. There you go, guys. Speak to me like that, I'll speak to her while she's speaking to me. So there you go. Longside police station, there you have it.
So what's the final takeaway? This encounter highlights two very different policing approaches. One officer handled the situation professionally and within legal boundaries. The other escalated based on incorrect assumptions about privacy, threat levels, and suspicious activity. Ultimately, those claims did not hold up under basic legal scrutiny. The key lesson here is that knowledge protects your rights. By remaining calm, firm, and informed, the auditor demonstrated there was no lawful basis to continue the stop, bringing the interaction to a natural and appropriate conclusion.